Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Recorder badge board and badges inside of Microsoft Teams. So this is from Teacher View. I'm in the Assignments tab. I find it best to create each student's digital badge board as an assignment, and then you can, as the teacher, can then go in and add and edit the assignment document as their badge board. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, click Create Assignment. Here you'll type in your title. Next, you'll enter instructions for your students. Now, when you initially assign this assignment, the instructions are simply for them to add their name to the text box in the PowerPoint file, and then they'll submit that, and then as the teacher, you'll use that as the digital badge board to assign the badges once they earn them. All right, down here, this is where you could add points, but since this isn't actually a graded assignment, I'm just going to leave it blank. You can select where you want to assign it to specific students or not. And then as far as the due date, I would assign it to the last date that you are accepting submissions for the badges. Now, the last thing you're going to do once you have all that information is you need to add the resources. So right here, click Add Resources. And now this is where you're going to add the badge board template for each student to have their own copy. So find the badge board files that you have saved. Select the file to add it, and then click Attach. Now it's going to add this to the assignment, but right over here on the three dots, you'll want to click this and then change this to Students Edit Their Own Copy. Because what that's going to do is it will save a copy in their OneDrive, and it gives them each their own individual copy of the badge board, which is exactly what you want. Once you have done that, there's no other work to do here. On teacher side, click Assign, and your assignment has been assigned. All right, now on the student side, in their Assignments tab, they'll see that you have assigned them the Recorder badge board first degree. When they click on it, they'll open it and they'll see the directions that you have, and then they'll have to open the PowerPoint, which it will open it directly inside of Teams, which is nice. So it'll open that, and then if they're following the directions, they'll add their student name here. And because it's in OneDrive, it automatically saves it. Once they've done that, all they need to do is click Close, and it's registered that it saved that, and then all they need to do is click Turn In. Now on the teacher view, in the Assignments tab, you can go back and click on the assignment to see which students have turned in their badge board. And when you do that, you can click on the blue Turned In check, and it'll bring up the preview of the PowerPoint that they have added their name to, so you can see that here. So now that you have that set up, every student will have their own badge board. Now I'm going to show you how to actually add the badges to each student's board. So down here, all of these grayed out badges are placeholders. So if you click on the placeholder to select it, and then go up here to the Picture tab, and then select Change Picture. And inside there, you'll have to open the folder that has all of the badge images in it, and then you select the badge, and it'll replace the placeholder with the badge. So again, you'll select the placeholder in the Picture tab, go to Change Picture, and select the badge from the Badges folder that you have saved. So the other thing you can do in here is you can enter feedback to your students, and then click Return, and this will return your feedback to the student, but they'll also be able to open the PowerPoint file and see their new badges. All right, so back on student view, the students will then see the returned badge board by going to their Assignments tab and clicking Completed, and then finding the Recorder badge board assignment. and they can click on that, and then they'll also see the feedback here. And then to see the badge board, they'll just click on underneath my work the PowerPoint file, and it'll bring up the badge board with the updated and added badges. So there you have it. That is how to use the recorder, badges, and badge boards inside of Microsoft Teams. If you would like to grab these badges and the badge board templates, check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me on the Busy Band Director Facebook page.